Did you watch this amazing video about the new Corona pattern feature? Let's see how to recreate something similar. Simulate a blanket with mass effects, and this is our starting point. Now just model a single piece and clone it so to have a three-dimensional texture. Also model some simple tiny fur and add it with the chaos scatter. Done! This is our 3D model we can use as a pattern. Select the blanket and apply the Corona pattern modifier. Click on Pattern node and assign our model. Now it's very important to crop it in order to have a tile-able texture. And that's it, click the render and here we have a nice Corona pattern example. To know more about my official Corona course in English, Espanol e Italiano, just follow the link.